thank the Committee of Budget, where I'm a member, and also the chair, who is doing a good job, and also say that I'm supporting the report of the Committee of Budget. But I'm wondering, Honorable Beatrice, even if you give him another chance again, she will change. She's been changing since last week. She has just finished now to change, and I support.
That's your comment. Don't worry. Chair budget is taking your note.
I supported that the chair budget also takes care of the changes of Honorable Beatrice so that she can be comfortable. Honorable Speaker, I also want to support the report first, and also inform the chair budget that as long as he has carried over the projects which have been done, done by contractors, Honorable Speaker, he forgot also to carry forward the project from my ward chair budget. There is a project by the name Nyamware Gioka Dispensary Road of 3.4 million, 86,380 shillings. Make sure it's carried forward along others which have been carried forward for them to be paid, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, somebody mentioned about the FIF Act and the KTRH Act that I promised to bring to this Honorable House, Honorable Speaker. I left that the budget to be done. I promise, Honorable Speaker, that next week I'll table the document so as we go to recess, Honorable Speaker, the various committees to talk about the Act. When we come back, Honorable Speaker, we pass the report, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, Honorable Lillian Gord asked about the FGM, about the sanitary free pads which are given to schools. We talked to His Excellency the Governor. He promised that let him be finished with the milk factory. He will do something to bring up a processing plant, maybe in one of our MTCs, so that we can produce our own sanitary pads and give to our students and kinamama. So His Excellency is up about it, Honorable Speaker. And also, Honorable Speaker, I also want to inform members that we are up and running as a county, Honorable Speaker. You saw, like I saw yesterday, Honorable Barre, Honorable Baus, Honorable Mukaya, they were on media, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Boss was giving his 30 roads that he